love with her light skin, I love the cocaine. Fell in love with her light skin, I love the cocaine.
Hey, what's up guys, this is HSR and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm gonna discuss about the Intel's upcoming Kaby Lake processor like i7-7700K. So without wasting any more time, let's begin the video. So as you read the title, the i7-7700K, which is a Kaby Lake processor. Now what is Kaby Lake? It's basically Intel's upcoming processor socket, which mean to be more powerful and better than its previous one, that is Skylake. Since now we are still using the Skylake processor, it's not too old, but according to Intel, the upcoming Kaby Lake architecture is much better than this one, that is Skylake. Now I will discuss about the i7-7700K and the other Kaby Lake processors and also the leaked performance of this series, and also I got some benchmark images of this processor with comparison to other Skylake processors. And also guys, I will discuss about the price of upcoming Kaby Lake processors. Intel is going to release Kaby Lake architecture based processors in the coming months. The desktop processor based on Kaby Lake will use LGA 1151 socket. 2 processor will be an unlocked K series processor. Kaby Lake will already be the 3rd generation processor that Intel fabs at 14nm. Kaby Lake generation will be the successor to the current Skylake generation. That makes Kaby Lake the 3rd step in Intel process architecture optimization strategy. The Core i7-7700K listed would be a quad-core, with hyper-threading enabling 8 logical CPUs. Thus, the clock frequencies have changed towards higher numbers though. As it stands now, this flagship quad-core processor is clocked 4.2 GHz and can boost up to 4.5 GHz. To compare a little, a Core i7-6700K runs at 4.00 GHz with a boost to 4.2 GHz. The cache is at the same, 256 KB per L2 and 8 MB per L3. The processor will use the current socket LGA 1151, which means that after a motherboard firmware upgrade, you should be ready to go with your current motherboard. The 2nd K model would be the Core i5-7600K, and it will get a 3.8 GHz clock that may boost toward its 4.00 GHz turbo. Now coming to the performance of this CPU in comparison to previous gen Skylake processors. Now in Battlefield 1, which is a pretty heavy game which uses 2 equal blend of your CPU and GPU, the results are as shown. There is a 6700K and 7700K and another 7700K which is overclocked to 5.1 GHz on air. That is pretty insane, and the game is running at 1080p at ultra setting in DirectX 12. Now the Unigine Valley, which the processors are same as before and looks like 7700K, which overclocked to 5.1 GHz, is at top of the list, which means that it performed better than the base clock version of its brother, and again 6700K is at bottom. And there are more benchmark guys. Only for the sake of this video I am not showing other benchmarks, but don't worry, I have left a link in description so you can check it out. Now guys, coming to the price tag of this CPU, I mean the all Kaby Lake processors which are coming soon. The price of the CPU are as shown, but according to me, I think these are not real, and I also think it would not exceed too much from the prices which are listed now. I think they would exceed $30 to $60 ranging from country to country. Now guys, what's the conclusion? Should you buy the Kaby Lake processors? Are they worth buying? According to me, for now they are not, because as shown in the performance section of this video, the 6700K is nearly at 7700K. There is not a sky to space difference between them. If you already have a Skylake processors of unlocked series, you can experience the Kaby Lake performance by overclocking them. Now last word guys from me, let the both processors out. I mean AMD Zen and the Kaby Lake processor, let them out for at least 2 weeks in the market and check their gaming and rendering benchmarks. Then after, you need to have a look on these processors. Anyways guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, leave a big thumbs up for this video, and guys please consider to subscribe our channel for more tech videos and reviews. Peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.